I hope I'm not fogging up because it is super humid out here. But where I'm taking you guys today, I ain't gonna be able to use my Chevrolet Equinox that I called Defiant. The problem is, my Equinox is gonna be too big where we're going today. Instead, we're gonna have to take my son's car. That's right, it's just the right size where we're going to go today. Let's get started. Cambridge Cemetery. This is where we was headed. We're gonna walk way back yonder and look at an extremely old graveyard. For many years, my wife and I have been meaning to come back here. And at the end of the video, we'll tell you why it was hard to come back here. But for many years, we've been wanting to come back here and check out this cemetery or graveyard. I think it's more of a graveyard. I know one of them has a church on it, which is called, I think, a cemetery. And the one without a church is called a graveyard. I don't know, don't quote me. But we've been wanting to come back here for many years now. And now we're getting our opportunity. This is definitely 100% without doubt a forgotten graveyard. As you can see, all around me is an open field, a walking path to the graveyard, and an open field right through here. And back over this way over yonder there, is a ski resort. It's closed, obviously. I'm not so sure we're going to be able to get in. They got the date, or the gate closed. I almost said date. Oh, we're almost here, so we'll see what we can do. I'm looking to see if there's a lock on this gate. Yeah, I'm not so sure we're gonna be allowed in there, but here you guys go. If you want to freeze the video and read this, go for it. It's a historical cemetery. You guys probably just read it. And here's the cemetery right here. It doesn't look like we're gonna be able to go in. The gate is definitely locked, but this is a forgotten cemetery.
We can walk around though.
We can walk around. I'm not upset that the gate's locked. You know, one would think I would be, because after all these years, finally getting to it, just can't get inside, but that's okay. You know, because we can always walk around down to the back of it and walk around it and get the cemetery, or get the tombstones that way. But yeah, many years Angie and I have been wanting to come back here. And at the end of the video, we will show you why we couldn't. It's quite simple. You probably figured it out by now. You know, I kind of gave a big hint at the beginning of the video. Here's some of the old tombstones now. Oh my gosh. Whoa, careful. I almost fell down back there. Oh, let's get right up here and get right on them. It's a very small cemetery. This is pretty much it right here, guys. Can't really see the dates on the tombstones, but they are definitely old. That's for dang sure. Maybe I can see some of the ones in the front here. I'm gonna have to look down so I don't fall and break my foolish neck. Angie said one of the tombstones said 1862. We might be able to see these through the fence right here. Cannot see a date on this one, but I can on this one. Oh shoot. 1872, I believe. No, 1852, I believe that one is. Yeah, here's the back of the graveyard. And holy smokes, it's really unique. I wish we could go inside because I love to walk over that way. But let's go over to this white thing right here and see what it might say. This white tombstone, I'm guessing that's what it is. John Dawson, 1848. Wow. Look at that tree growing right next to that tombstone right there. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna probably, oh, excuse me, honey. We're gonna walk up this end, and there's a big, huge old tree I want to get on the way out of here, but wow, look at this. Holy smokes. This is absolutely beautiful. It sure is. All right, let's head up. Some of these trees around here are massively big. Now, the one I'm getting ready to go by is huge, but not as big as the one we seen coming in. That's even bigger, but this one right here, pretty darn big itself, but the one up yonder here is bigger. All right, let's get some of the tombstones as we pass through here, and we pick it up at the beginning. I am thankful some of these tombstones are close to the fence though. Oh wow. And it's a little warm out here today, guys. It's humid and it's hot. Looks like some kind of power plant over there. And the open field all the way through there. Okay, we're gonna get this tree and head back to the car. It's a little warm out here. With that top down, it does feel good though, y'all. It really does. But this has been Cambridge Cemetery. Angie and I have been wanting to come back here for many years. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you why we could not do it. And I'm gonna turn the camera around. There's my son's car in the distance. Way out yonder there. And there's the tree I wanna talk about on the way out. Cambridge Cemetery, y'all. A forgotten cemetery, graveyard, whatever you want to call it. One of the most forgotten ones I've ever seen, except there is one other that tops this one. And I might get a video of that someday again. But Cambridge Cemetery, y'all. Wow. Okay, let's go over to the big tree. Oh, we have a breeze, and that breeze feels good. But take a look at the size of this tree, y'all. My gosh. This is one of the biggest trees I've ever seen. Oh, there's stuff growing in it. Look at this. Oh, wow. Let me tilt this down a little bit. What the heck you make out of this? I have no idea what this is, but it's definitely a tree growing around it. That's for dang sure. Holy smokes. But look at the size of this tree. It is massive. When we get back further, I will show you guys how tall it is. But wow. How old do you think this tree is? I do wonder if this tree was here when they put the graveyard here. All right, Angie, you ready to walk back?
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna be a little warm. We can do it. It's a pretty good piece to walk back from the road, but it's worth it. And even though we wasn't able to go inside of it because it had a lock on the gate, it was still worth it. Okay, let's turn around here a second, get this tree so we see how tall it is. Massive sized tree. I couldn't even tell you the kind of it is. I have no idea what it is. I like to say elm. Now my father could tell you the kinds of trees just by their leaves. All right, y'all, we're headed up to the car. Angie was just saying they probably locked it because of vandalism. Now that cemetery over in Greendale, the other end, the other one's older than this one. I wish they would have done something there like this, because a lot of vandalism went on there. There's tombstones broken in pieces. I got that on video back a couple years ago, and I got it on video once before for that. So all right, guys, we'll get to the car. I show you why we wasn't able to explore this cemetery before now. All right, guys, it's time to tell you why we had to take my son's car. Now I could have got away with our old car we had, which was a Chevrolet Spark, but my son's car was just the right size. Let me show you why. As you could tell, there ain't much room here. My Defiant would not, it could have made it, but I didn't want to take that chance. You have hardly no room to park, and this is why we took my son's car. Let me get right around here. Careful, honey. Yeah, this is it right here, y'all. Try not to get hit by a car, but this is it. It's the only room we had to park here. Just this right here. Unbelievable, isn't it? All right, let's head home. Oh, these leather seats being left out in the open sun is hot.
I figured it would.
Oh my God. Guys, this will conclude today's video. If you liked today's video, please hit that like button. That helps my channel out tremendously. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. You never know, you might like the videos. Sometimes I have good videos. Until next time, guys, this has been Cambridge Cemetery, a place Angie and I have been trying to go back to, and I got sweat going to my eyes. We've been trying to come here for many years. Now we're going to head home, have lunch, and possibly head out for another video adventure. Come on, let's get out of here, y'all. Thanks for watching.